Now, if you're not aware of Lottie Stickers, what a Lottie sticker is it's a resizable animation. So it's a bit like an SVG file because there's no loss of image quality, and you can also recolor them and they are animated. What's not to love about Lottie Stickers? Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Today I've got 6 awesome new features in Canva, especially for you, so make sure you stick around for all 6 of them. And also at the end, there's a special feature that's coming soon in Canva that I'm able to share with you before it's rolled out to everybody. So make sure you stick around to the end for that feature. But let's get in and let's get showing you these new features in Canva. First new feature that I want to include in this video, partly because I've not included it in any video so far, is video background remover. So you might well be fully aware that video background remover is out, but also background remover is a massive part of one of the people's favorite kind of like features in Canva, but you can now do this in video. So let me show you. Here we are, we're in Canva. I've just added this video on here. Once you've got the video selected, you just come up to edit video and you can now click background remover. I've just clicked that and it's done it instantly. In the background, if somebody else has already removed the background on your video, it's going to be fairly quick. It kind of like keeps a cache in the background of videos that have already had the background removed on them. But if it's a new video that you're uploading yourself, then that might take a little bit longer for that to happen. It's got this background remover applied to it, and this is just a time lapse that you can then add other things in there. So let me put an element in there that was show. So there we go. If I just move that to the back, if I select this element, you can see that that has removed the background. There you go. Video background remover. Try it out. Let's move on to the next one. The next new feature I've got for you is that you can now transfer your images directly from remove.bg directly into Canva. Let me show you. Come over to remove.bg as a website. You've uploaded your images or your image that you want to remove the background for. This is the original image. This is the image with the background removed. You can then choose to edit this in remove.bg if you want to. And then if you want to actually download this, you can do and then import it into Canva. But instead of you doing that, you now just click add to design and you can create your design for free. And what this is going to do is it's going to go away and put this directly into Canva for you. And it's going to even add it to your uploads section so you can use it in the future. It's like it's an automatic process that happens in the background for you. Make sure you're logged into Canva when you're using this and it'll automatically add it into your account for you. But remove.bg automatically transfer your files that you're using on that website directly into Canva. The next item I've got for you is a new transition in Canva. Let me show you. It's called color wipe. So we're here in Canva and what we've got is we've got a video doc type. Now in order to use this, you do have to have a video doc type, and if without a video doc type you're not going to be able to have the transitions because that's just the way that it works in Canva. Once you've got more than 2 kind of pages, if you like, or 2 elements on your timeline, you can then have this button that pops up, this little plus button in between, and you can add in a transition. Now this transition, you've got all these different transitions that you can use. This new one is color wipe, and it's going to take the colors from your document, or you can come and change these to different colors if you wanted to. And you can also change the direction of the swipe. Now one of the things you'll notice is when it's got a diagonal, it doesn't quite cover the full page. I do believe Canva are working on that to update that, but this is really good. You can kind of add in all your different colors that you want to, and you can also change the duration. So you can have a really quick transition, or you can have a really slow one up to 1.5 seconds. And you also notice in there another fun transition, if you're not aware of it, is this match and move option. Really great fun feature to use. I've got a really good video coming up on that, so do make sure you click like and subscribe if you want to learn more about creating video content using Canva and all the great new features that are coming out in Canva. The next new feature is that you can now download your document as a PDF, and it will also include any notes that you've included on your file. Now if you're not aware of it, when you're in your file you can actually add notes. Let's dive into Canva and let me show you how you can add notes to your documents and how you can download those as a PDF to actually include the notes for you. So we're just going to use this same template or this same video file that we've got here. Down in the bottom left hand corner you've got this item here called notes, and on here you can type in any notes that you want, any notes kind of like around the document that you've created, any instructions that you might want to include, or any kind of prompts. Maybe let's say it's a presentation and you've wanted to include some document notes on there, and you want to include those on a printout that you're going to then give to people to have further kind of like links or anything else like that. That's something that people can then use to kind of like further follow along. That makes sense to me. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you're thinking, Darren, you're rambling, let me know down in the comments. I'll always be happy to answer any questions you've got down there. But how do we actually download this in Canva with the notes? When we come over to share, we're going to come over to download and we choose PDF standard or PDF print, and you'll notice that there's this new option to actually include notes. Now, once you've ticked that document there or that item there in that checkbox, that's then going to allow you to see your notes on the PDF file. Let me show you. So this is the PDF that I've downloaded. You'll see there now that I've actually got notes underneath there. So whatever you type on the right hand side, or sorry, left hand side here under the notes section is going to show up underneath your document. Couple of things to be aware of on this. Make sure you're including them as notes and not comments. Comments will not come out. So if you're not aware, let me show you. On a document, you can also add in comments on here. That's not going to come out on the PDF download when you do it. It's got to be in the notes section. So make sure that you add any comments on the notes section, if that makes sense. Don't use the comments section, basically. That's kind of like a temporary thing. The next new Canva update I've got for you, and I'm really excited about this one for you as well, is if you're using images from Pixabay. If you're not aware of Pixabay, it's a really great image resource library that you can use images in your designs. But if you're using Pixabay, all you have to do is go around to Pixabay, find your item, and you can now download that file directly into Canva. And again, it kind of like happens in the background. Let me show you. So here we are, we're in Pixabay. This is just a landscape, really autumnal, lovely image that I found here. And it's just a free download. We can use it free for commercial. It's free for commercial use and no attribute is required. Make sure you check on the details there about the license. But come along, free download, and you'll notice now you can normally download to different sizes, but you can now retouch it in Canva. Just click this button right here, and that's then going to go away in the background and transfer that into a Canva document for you. It's going to come up. This is what it comes up like, just like adding any image, and you can then just come along and edit the image however you want to use that image in your design. So that's using Pixabay Images, directly importing them into Canva. And that brings me on to a really exciting new item that can be found in Canva. But these new items are called Lottie Stickers. Now, if you're not aware of Lottie Stickers, what a Lottie sticker is it's a resizable animation. So it's a bit like an SVG file because there's no loss of image quality, and you can also recolor them and they are animated. What's not to love about Lottie stickers? So if you're looking to add some kind of like animation to your design, but you want to change the colors on an animated item to be more cohesive with your brand colors or something like that, then that's exactly what you can do with Lottie stickers. Let's dive into Canva and let me show you. So this is just a set of Lottie stickers that I found. You just type in set and then there's this code up here. As I say, down in the description below, I'm going to link out to my website where I've got all the codes set out for you so you can actually download those. Okay, now what is a Lottie sticker? Now you'll see they look great, they're little animation stickers, but when I highlight this one, you'll notice in the top right hand corner here, sorry, top left hand corner, I'm really getting my left and right confused today, but up in the top left hand corner, you can now change the colours of these. And also, if you wanted to, you can come along to styles and you can change and add your styles. If you've got a brand kit set up, I've not got a brand kit set up on this particular account, but if you've got a brand kit set up, you can apply your brand kit colours, or you can just click one of these and that's then going to change the colours for all of those. This one for some reason isn't recolorable. Let's get rid of that one. But all the others are recolorable. All the others are recolorable to your brand colours. And also you can see I can make these really big and they're not going to look pixelated. How awesome is that? I love these Lottie stickers. literally, I found out about this morning when I first logged in, and I'm amazed and loving these Lottie stickers. I want to find out more about how you can create Lottie stickers, so if that's something that you kind of would like to know about, let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys on what you're actually really enjoying and what you're using Canva for at the moment, what you'd like to use Canva for, and if you've got any ideas for any videos that would help you, let me know down in the comments below. I always love being able to help you as the community be able to create better content with Canva. Now, this next feature, I have to say, is coming soon. It's not out to everybody just yet. It's out to around about 50% of people so far. You may be aware of it, you may not be aware of it, but element timing. Pause there for dramatic effect. But element timing, let me show you, and I do have to stress, this is coming soon. So if you don't see it, please just be patient, because it is coming soon. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back to this item here. I'm going to hide the notes section here, and you'll notice if I play this video, you'll see those items come on in a particular order. They don't all just come on at the same time. Let me show you this little bit of magic. I am so excited for this. Honestly, I can't tell you how excited I am for this. So what you have to do in order, if you've got the element timing option, highlight 2 or more elements in order to be able to get this up. Okay, and then once you've highlighted them, you can right click, and then you'll have this item here called show timing. Okay, and you might think, well, that's added this down here to the bottom. How do I actually time these elements? Okay, click on the little arrow down here, and now this is going to allow you to time your elements a little bit more. And to know which one you're timing, if you click on it, it'll put the box around it. So I can see that this one is the background box here. So you can see it doesn't come on until here. Okay, and then as part of that background box, so if I just click on the box itself, I've actually got an animation on there. If I remove that animation from that background box, okay, let me come back to that element timing. Okay, if I just come back to that background box, now it's not coming on at the bottom, you'll see it'll just pop on. So you can time your elements with animations for a much better immersive experience with element timing. Now, I am going to do a full video of this once it's fully rolled out to everybody, so if it's something that you want to know when it's coming out, make sure you click like, subscribe down below, and turn on bell notification items. And if you're not already, sign up to my newsletter. I do have a newsletter, so I do email out when new features come out as well. I'll put a link down below to that, but if you want to, you can always sign up on my website, Better Content Creators. And I think that's enough excitement for today. All those new features. So we've got, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. The video background remover. We've got removing the remove.bg integration directly with Canva. We've got the new color wipe transition, which was fantastic. Downloading your notes within your kind of PDF for your presentation or anything else like that. Another great feature was, because as I say, what you could do on that, you could put in your links or any kind of like further reading that you want people to do on a presentation. So that's a really great option for that. What else have we got here? I'm just checking my notes on here. We've got importing your images directly from Pixabay. That was a really great option. So just rather than downloading it and re-uploading it and doing all that, it just happens in the background. I love that. Then we had Lottie Stickers. How can I forget about, I nearly forgot about Lottie Stickers. Lottie Stickers, animated, recolorable, scalable, animated images that you can add to your designs. Go check out my shop on my website. I've got them all there for you in a small PDF download, so you can download them there. And then we've got this new feature, the element timing feature, coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed. And until next time, thank you very much, and bye for now.